Wonder what that is. Do you see that? What is that? I was recording the plane, but I saw that some kind of lights in the sky. What is it? Maybe it's a plane. Let's see if it's moving. Let me put my finger. Whoop. It went blurry. What is that? It's Thursday. Actually Friday. It's Friday, June 22nd. And I'm out and about. And I saw this in the sky. Bye-bye.